Hi, I'm Chris Faulkner, licensed clinical social worker.
I'm Anita. I'm married to Chris. We have been running Family Solutions together for a really long time.
Family Solutions is a pretty large agency, really with a focus on community mental health. And so we provide outpatient services, and those are therapists that do office-based sessions. And then we also have Head Start program, and those are school-based services that are provided to young children. And then lastly, we have a Child First program that's in 3 counties as well, and that's a home visiting program for really young children.
We have a clinician at the Family Justice Center. We help out with some mental health support at Hope Academy. All the YMCAs in Guilford County, we provide support to the staff and the families that come there. We're also in North Carolina pre-K centers, along with the Partnership for Children. So there are a whole lot of different places as needs have come up, and especially regarding young children and families. The need is great, and we keep hiring and training, and we've sent a lot of really great clinicians out in the world to serve, and that's amazing to see too. There's so many ways that we experience brokenness. When people feel so lonely, they feel so alone and unseen and unheard, and people are coming in because there's something that's not working quite right. There's a stuck place. I think healing happens in the context of relationship, and it's relationship with us, relationships with families, with support systems, but that's where the healing really happens.
And on the macro level, it's seeing poverty and how that affects families. The healthcare system, there's a lot of brokenness there. There's a lot of systems that are sometimes not integrated or don't really work for families.
Most recently, we've had a lot of families that are really hungry. There have been some real physical needs that's been hard to see. Some families, particularly with the Child First program, that are really scared, and that's been difficult. Really just figuring out what is ours to do, what is ours to support other people doing. How do we plug people in with other resources, or we just go across the street to the grocery store and buy all the peanut butter.
There's no quick fixes with the work that we do, and so there's a lot of patience and a lot of grace through that process.
There's just nothing like getting to witness this moment when somebody can see a different way. They can see some kind of their own joy or some kind of delight in their child, or they have been so stuck, and then there's this moment where they can see their way out of it, and to get to walk beside that and to get to see someone find that for themselves is really amazing. I mean, for all of the hard parts of counseling, to get to be part of that moment is really special.
We work with a lot of kids that are in foster care, and if you're a parent that's lost your child, there's so much guilt and shame tied into that, and we've recently had some real great successes of reunification. The scriptures are about redemption, and for me, that's what counseling, that's what we're doing every day, is bringing a redemptive story, and to be able to bring that hope. There is a new day that is coming.
I think a lot about how can you do this work for a really long time? How do we help the people that work at Family Solutions? How do we help equip them so they can do this for a long time? I think about just the steadfast love of God and the consistency. There's so many ups and downs with Medicaid and things going on with the state and food stamps. That can all be up and down. And how can we be steadfast and faithful and as steady as we can be? And I think the character of God that I hold on to is the steadfast love, and that's an anchor point for me in this. I think every single day doing this work, it's something that we're not equipped in our own strength to do, and I think God meets us in that. I really do feel that this is work that we were made to do. this is the work that God has for us to do, and there's a lot of joy in that. There's a lot of difficulty in that too, because we're walking into some really dark places with people. I can't imagine not having God with me in that.
In business, there's lots of choices to be made, and it requires wisdom. And then patience. There's a lot of patience and wisdom about decisions. Wait, go forward, slow down, speed up. So I think wisdom and patience are top of mind for me.
And I would love prayers for that exact same thing for our whole staff. For wisdom, for patience, for the ability to slow down and be present, and just for the healing of the families and individuals that come to Family Solutions. I mean, we believe that healing is possible, that repair is possible, and to have prayers that believe that along with us, and that will happen with the families that come to us.